BMW shows off huge 31-inch in-car screen to keep backseat passengers entertained. Oh, is this more CES stuff? Well,
yeah, we're still continuing.
CES still going on. Is it
I think
too
this
late?
is the last day.
Is it too late? Can we hop on a plane right now? What are you saying, man?
Sure.
Okay,
yeah.
let's get down there.
Let's go.
Let's gamble some of your crypto.
Oh,
Or I guess you did that yourself.
yeah. Double gamble.
You did that yourself many moons ago just by getting involved in these exchanges and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
It's your
So
fault.
there's a lot of talking here, but yeah, this is obviously just a concept, but you can kind of see this giant, super wide screen that's, I guess, in the back seat.
What is it? This doesn't feel like a back seat to me. Where's the back seat, man?
That's covering the mirror.
Wait, where am I in a car there? Like what is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's on the ceiling of the car.
Yeah.
It's kind of like an airplane where they would have the display, or like an old school drop down in an SUV or a van or something. It would drop down.
It's not at the headrest level.
No, it's higher than that. So I guess hopefully you're reclining a little bit.
That's the idea.
And then you're looking up and you got the perfect angle. Oh, that's very nice. Good morning. I've been wearing this smartwatch from Withings. It just reminded me because that thing said good morning. I have a video coming out. You should definitely check it out. I have good feelings.
Yeah.
I'm feeling good about it.
Yeah.
Anyway, it reminded me to boot up I have one of the high-end Withings scales to go with this.
Oh, did you have the...
I already had it.
Oh, really? The new
scale.
one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what it's called. I think they have 3 different scales at this point. I think the one I have is called cardio. Anyway, point being is I stepped on it. I hadn't used it in a while. I set it back up. I paired it to my phone, the scale, to go with the watch. The watch is very unique what it's doing, but you'll find out in a video my feelings. And the scale said to me, Happy New Year.
That's it?
Happy New Year.
Oh.
Has a scale ever said Happy New Year to you before?
Not that I know of, no.
I had this weird experience of recognizing how exclusive this moment was, that a scale is saying Happy New Year to you before it tells you how fat you are.
Yeah.
See what I mean? It had a little animation on a display with like fireworks going on.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, they have the little display, so that's
But it's
nice.
a weird thing, the connection with New Year and gym memberships and Planet Fitness and
the New Year
resolutions. Yeah. It's kind of weird.
That's still going on, right?
Of course it's still going on, man. Although, gotta be honest, this the latest Omicron sort of
kind of stomped it.
Sort of stomped some of the business that gyms were about to do as far as new signups.
Yeah.
In the new year. The display, the BMW display, very cool, Will.
Exactly.
I want to sit in the back and watch that display.